Carleigh, as we stand here today to celebrate our love, I still remember the first time seeing you and being truly blown away. From that moment on, I always knew you would be someone special in my life. Being with you has taught me that a partner isn't just someone who accepts you for who you are, but is someone who helps you grow to be a better person.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help.
Brian, you are my home and will always be my home. It's because the security and comfort I feel with you has been there from the start. I am lucky enough to wake up each morning by your side, to take on life together, and most importantly, I am lucky enough to be loved by you.
Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you?
I vow to always appreciate you and to never let a day go by without remembering how lucky I am that we have each other. I promise to never forget that this is a once-in-a-lifetime love, and I will choose you every moment from now until forever. And you make me happier than I could ever imagine and more loved than I ever thought possible. You are my everything and more, and I vow you will always have all of me.
So take my hand, take my whole life.
I vow to choose you every day, to love you more tomorrow, to always be your biggest supporter, to be the best version of myself. I promise to stand by your side, bride, today, tomorrow, and always. I vow to love you to the moon and back a gazillion times.
You may kiss the bride.
Here we stand, the world awaits. We'll let the stars tonight light the way. Hand in hand, through light or rain. It's your constant love.
Brian, you're a good guy, okay? And Carleigh's lucky to have you, okay? And we're lucky to have you in our family now. I wish you two nothing less than all the happiness in the world, a couple maybe little grandsons. I wish you all the best, and I love both of you. Cheers.
Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful.
Carleigh, you are the most caring and thoughtful people I know. You have an energy that is contagious and an ability to light up a room that matches perfectly with the person sitting next to you tonight. Thank you guys for being two of the best friends that I've ever had. It's been quite a journey, and I can't wait to see where the next chapter takes you to.
Something beautiful.
Car, Brian, I have watched the two of you grow so much as individuals and as a couple over the years. I can say without a single doubt in my mind that you two have found that. The kind of love that will always make you feel at home. Car and Brian, here's to a lifetime of love and happiness.
Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. This is the start of something beautiful.
but I'm